Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you don't know the thing said. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But you know my style, one baga baga, and I gotta continue getting them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the stream. That's why it's extremely important to watch it and so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with Spice because she's showing you the price list. Yes, $700 US speaking worth of groceries. And I'm putting out a comment section how much that money is equivalent in the currency in the country that you're living in, whether Jamaica, China, England, etc. You see what I say? But nevertheless, she's also showing you $4,000 worth of appliance. Yes, they're talking about the refrigerator, and it's definitely a nice refrigerator. Yes, and anyway, people, it's nice to see one of us make it to the top. You see and this is what Richie Feelings is talking about. You know him thump up Spice a little bit, you see because that's just the way how they do. You feel me? But them also talk about how, you know, nice and things she is, you see So let's take a quick listen to what he has to say and then we'll proceed.
Man, Spice, they are Scotch and Spice. They don't know, man, Spice. I'm a friend of my love, you know. We now have to come tell you how much we love Spice. Big up her. Don't know my friend that enough she got to and still I got through to the day, yeah. And you don't know my favorite now gonna be your favorite. But we have some people we not talk about every day. We have enough people in the music where our friend them or we and them sit down and cry together. You understand? And ball and just know say yo. Music business is a big politics where enough people afraid to talk because you will come talk about it and people say you bad mind. Yeah man, me dig off win some. But don't worry, I soon be back. Well, I am doing well. Every day I wake up, I have so much things to be grateful for. I don't get up and come talk about clothes and money and them something. I get up and give thanks for life because life is supposed to be the greatest thing. And life does not have a value. Life does not have a value because a lot of people don't value their life. Them get up and them cherish everything else except them life. Once you get up and can stretch out, right? When you can get up and stretch out and yarn and fart and go on with all kind of things, yeah man, that's the greatest thing that. Because remember, you know, when time somebody have to order, you have to go do this and do that, you not enjoy life. Life is what you make it. Because you sit down every day and talk about better must come. You know, from me, lick them and say better must blood clot come. And you have to make better come here.
Yes, putting out the comment section what you think about that because him also talk about this shitty situation, you know. You see me, I say there's no excuses for the bad hygiene practices that we've seen on video because when the things are the secret sauce that on Alice's fingernails, and they do the share scratch out her body or put in the scoop water. You see me, I say, and the reason why the water is so black is because of the juices that's in the crab, because them crab they're not clean, you see me, I say, them are boiling in a shit water. You see me? Anyway, people, let's take a listen to what Richie Feelings have to say. And then we proceed. Because why? You know, me really look upon Alice, man. She really look mad narrated, you know. But anyway, like and share the video upon our social media platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get into it.
When am I going to see you looking raggedy? I know it takes a lot, you know, to wear natural hair. I know. But I'm just saying, natural is the mistake sometimes. And you have to love yourself, you know. Because I do a whole heap of things for please everybody and not please on yourself, you know. Fancy face, spunky. Big up yourself. Spread off. Hold tight. From the whole of down at one place. Right a center into St. Mary. Okie dokie. Pokey. The easiest thing right now for be in Jamaica or in the world is fake. And the easiest thing for be is fake. The hardest thing for be is real. Because we sit down and still worrying about what others have to say about me. Why are we so dedicated and intrigued by what others said about we? You know much things some boy and some girl say about Sanja's son. and me hold it because I know it's not true. I know. Them are going to say what them want to say. So you just leave them, make them talk. You just allow them, make them talk. Allow them, because you can't stop people from talk. Anything what people think about you, you think you can change their mind? Them still going to think it. Them still going to think it. Me I tell you no, you have to be yourself, you have to be true to yourself. Remember social media name, you know, remember we used to live before social media. Easy youth like broke bad. Stay so. Lord, have mercy. No for afraid to live on the truth, you know. Live on the truth. And big up the people them who do no good credit. A foreign alone that, because Jamaica people not deal with credit or cash, them deal it right through. Me a throw a partner because I want to buy a fridge or I want to buy a TV or I want to buy a stove. So me in a Miss Lucille partner and me I go get me draw. Me tell her say I want me draw November 31st. So Miss Lucille I go have my tree and forgive me one time because I go buy me pitney them something. Why when you have a credit card, you know, you put your credit limit to, you can take it at 5,000, you can take it at 4,000, you can not, you are the limit. Miss Chin, hold tight and make sure you hold tight. See, let's go and stay so, lad. Then that's why I say November 31st, man. Remember, that's why I say November 31st, you know. I can't say anything. No, man, me say 31st. Then if you, then I can't promise you money until I say me I give it February 30th. I can't tell us that February, anytime after February 30th, you can get the money. I can't say anything. I don't remember how sarcastic it can be. Remember say sometimes I remember the days of the week, you know. But you know, the majority of the time, I thought the right thing. But I not fabricate no story come go now. Cooler man. And I saw it for go. Easy. God love you and me hate you. Lord, stay some big up your chow chow. No me like come and come reason, you don't know. No know my thing. Me don't have a reason. Go on a divine reasoning. You know what I mean? I know say Nikki come check me know where she want. Fed up on the man them way and I'm the sitting around. If one want go under. Lord, have mercy. Mama fashion, it could have never be Russian. I just know say I saw it go. Anyway, for the people that might just tune in for my live. Just remember, say, if you don't come to Jamaica and eat the crab from the lady out of Hero Circle, you no shit up. There's no denying it. You can't say you never eat there. You eat there. A long time you do it. You never do it this week. And you never do it last week. But you no shit up. You understand? You no shit up. So don't come to me with that shit. Don't come to me with that shit. You buy Alice crab and shit up. Okay? Uno shit up. So, all of the girls them, if I eat their Nikki regularly, Catherine, you don't know what I go on with you don't know what I go on with Alice. Alice shit in the crab bucket and throw it in the, and throw the toilet paper in the bucket. And them video Alice. And Alice says she did a drink a hot beer with little salt and her belly Lego. Right? So big up Alice nice soup and her nice crab. Alice with the good soup and the crab. But your shit up. That's all I have to say. Uno shit up. So the new name for wash out. Here the boy so cool. But all the soup too and the yam and saltfish, everything. Everything. And not just the crab alone. And the yam and the saltfish and the soup. The big pot of soup, shit up. Everything. Hot beer and salt. A pinch of salt with a hot beer. Okay? That's what I'm speaking about. The famous bucket. You see the famous bucket? You can't miss it now. Alice! I'm not into that shit. Me I tell you no. I'm not into that shit. Me just tell you from now. Fuck that shit. I'm not into that shit. Catherine said, where's the proof? It's all over social media. How would I wait? Here the one, Catherine. Years ago, she eat crab and her belly and bullet. You shit up, Catherine. You're done. Years ago, she eat crab and her belly and bullet. You shit up, Catherine. You're done. When you say Antaraj there and post it on him story, him shit up. Antaraj, you shit up. Alice don't even give a shit. Alice don't give a shit. Alice don't give a shit. Straight bullshit. But I don't think it's bullshit. It's Alice shit alongside crab shit. No bulls wasn't there. Why am I busy? I want 0 shits given. Holy shit. That was that. If I thought that was the secret ingredients, well, I don't know the secret is out now. The secret is out now. It's out. Lad. Shit up, fella. You shit up. Me not tell a man, I can't stand this shit, man. It's like a Yankee me turn overnight. Everything a shit. It's a real shitty situation, man. So for everyone who just joining on, I just want to let you know, all I want you to do is, if you want your belly to flow fluently, if you're having a bad day in your stomach or, you know, a little bubbly in your stomach, like you feel like you got gas, all you got to do is just get a hot beer and a pinch of salt. A hot beer and a pinch of salt does the trick for you, okay? And don't come on my page with your bullshit. I'm not into that shit. I'm not into that shit. Don't come on my page with your shit, okay? The dirty shit house, you know. Move! Yeah, baby, I'm gonna watch it. Select a princess. Lord have mercy. Don't you come to my yard unless you're drawsless. Still getting pum pum regardless. I was born from pum pum. I need some pum pum. Just remember, this is Fat Bojo checking out you on the live. And you don't know how to check out all my singles. You know what I mean? You don't know. No? I wanna be loved, Not for who you think I am. Who do you want me to be? Who do you love me for real? Real love. Give no strings attached. I want to give you my balls. I don't want to take it back. No, this is my chat. I have spent many nights at home. Woman, if it bring contention, I'd rather be in your hole. Lord have mercy. Tell them stay we bless. Tell them we bless. Tell them we bless. Tell them we bless. They try, they will see. Who want for the girl they pussy? Make we shine like stars above. Lord have mercy. Fat bojo for the girl them. I don't know. Checking out Alice and the shitty corner. I mean, Hero Circle corner. Lord have mercy. Easy. Tina Chromas. Just don't stay so. And big up your chow chow. Saying, you don't know. I want to be loved. Not for who you think I am. I want to give you my balls. And don't want to take it back. And this is my chat. Say.
Yeah, putting in the comment section what you think about that. People don't forget to go up on my next channel them and check out what I go on for not to go on daily, you know, because even when I not upload, yeah, so where I upload this so you see me as you say, Queen is getting disturbed by Dewey wickedly because he's basically say he's free from her slavery. You see me, I say no longer chained up and boy people also go up on the King Mix Up channel for check out put a hype at this Queenie and Dewey wickedly. Yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe over here as well, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.